Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix thanks for providing your info on Instagram. For that, you need to go to Google or something. What did you have? I was going to Google and here I was clicking on Instagram Help Center. So after that, you need to scroll down. Here you will see what is helpful or not. Uh, I was clicking on disable my Instagram account. So here it will ask the was helpful or not. I was clicking on no, so I was clicking on another option. Here I was typing about I want to deactivate my Instagram account. uh, ID, did you have ID? You need to give that ID and which mail did you it was connected to your Instagram account. You need to clear that. I was giving my ID and I was giving linked mail. Linked mail. I was giving my linked mail also. So after that, you need to submit. So here it will show your feedback will help you to improve your answers for everyone. Thank you.